Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel Numeric Nest. And in this video, we are going to solve this question, and we have a 2 raised to the power square root 27 multiply 8 raised to the power square root 75 over 4 raised to the power square root 48 whole raised to the power square root 3 over 2. So let's start. Look at this value. This is our 2 raised to the power. This is a square root 27. We write this as a 3 multiply 9, which is equal to 27. Now look at this. This is a 8. Its power is a square root 75. We write this 75 as a square root 25 multiply 3, which is equal to square root 27. And look at the denominator. We have a 4 and its power is a square root 48. We write this square root 48 as a square root 16 multiply 3, and its again power is a square root 3 over 2. Now we simplify this. We write this as a 2 raised to the power square root 3 multiply square root 9. This is a multiply 8, and we write this as a square root 25 multiply square root 3 over, we write this denominator as a 4 raised to the power square root 16 multiply square root 3, and its again power is a square root 3 over 2. Now square root 9 is equal to 3, so we write this value as a 2 raised to the power 3 times square root 3. This is a 8. We write this as a 8. This is a 8, and its power is a square root 25 multiply square root 3. Square root 25, this is equal to 5, so we write this as a 5 times square root 3. Look at the denominator. This is a square root 16, and we know that square root 16 is a 4, so we write this value as a 4 raised to the power 4 times square root 3, and its again power is a square root 3 over 2. Now in the next step, we want to write this base. Same for this. We copy this first value 2 raised to the power 3 times square root 3, and we write this 8 as a 2 cube, which is equal to 8, and then again its power is a 5 times square root 3 over, this is a 4. We write this as a 2 square, which is equal to 4, and its power is a 4 times square root 3 whole power is a square root 3 over 2. Now we write this as a 2 raised to the power 3 times square root 3, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power, multiply this exponent, then we get 15 times square root 3, and the denominator, look at this exponent, 2 multiply 4 is a 8, so we get 2 raised to the power 8 times square root 3, and its again power is a square root 3 over 2. Now in the next step, we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n multiply a raised to the power m. We write this as a raised to the power n plus m. We apply this identity on numerator, then this is a 2 raised to the power 3 times square root 3 plus 15 times square root 3, and the denominator is a 2 raised to the power 8 times square root 3, and then again its power is a square root 3 over 2. Now in the next step, add this exponent, then we have a 2 raised to the power, add 3 times square root 3 plus 15 times square root 3 is equal to 18 times square root 3, and the denominator is a 2 raised to the power 8 times square root 3, and again its power is a square root 3 over 2. In the next step, we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n over a raised to the power m. We write this as a raised to the power n minus m. So we write this value as a 2 raised to the power 18 times square root 3 minus 8 times square root 3, and then again its power is a square root 3 over 2. Subtract this exponent, then we get 2 raised to the power 10 times square root 3, and its again power is a square root 3 over 2. In the next step, we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n. Again, power of n is a m, then we write this as a raised to the power product of n and m. According to this identity, we write this as a 2 raised to the power 10 times square root 3 multiply square root 3 over 2. Now simplify this exponent. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So we get 2 raised to the power 5 times, this is a square root 3, multiply square root 3, we get square root 3 whole square. In the next step, the square and square root cancel. Then we get 2 raised to the power 5 multiply 3, and 2 raised to the power 5 multiply 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power 15. And this is our final answer.